Welcome back. So today's video starts off with a 9-hour drive through Switzerland and Italy. Here we are waiting outside of a tunnel for 25 minutes and we were finally able to go through because it was only a one-way. Look at how beautiful our Airbnb was. Here is the outside view and our room inside was so nice. It was located next to a train station, but we didn't mind that. The view was beautiful and the walking distance to downtown was a 3-minute walk also to all the stores and shopping centers. This was our first night in Moneglia where we stayed. We wanted to make Portofino a day trip and just spend a lot of our vacation time in this area, which was such a good choice. I'll explain later on. But this was the beach. It was empty. It was beautiful. I couldn't even believe we were the only people at the beach. We were just hanging out right before dinner. And here is our dinner plates. We got seafood, pasta. It was delicious. Afterwards, we went to get some dessert and here was the shop. We spent the rest of the night just hanging out at the beach. It was so peaceful and calm. We then headed back to the Airbnb and relaxed for a bit. The next morning, we woke up super early to go and check out the stores nearby. We did get breakfast at this place right here, which was so good. The people there were so friendly. We finally made it to the train station and here is my croissant that I got. It was pistachio filled and my sister got the chocolate one. Hers got stuck on mine, but it was so good. We took the train to Santa Margarita where we had to get a ferry to go to Portofino. But we fell in love with this place right here. It was so beautiful. Everything was what we thought this trip would be like. The weather was perfect. Here you saw us getting more gelato. Finally made it to Portofino and it was so beautiful. We stopped by for a drink and quick appetizers, which were so expensive by the way, but the place was beautiful. Here we started walking to one of the places that we really wanted to go to. Here's a little glimpse of my outfit. I think we were in Portofino for around 2 hours before we just wanted to head back and enjoy Santa Margarita. We got some food there and more gelato. The pizza was so good. I did end up buying some comfortable shoes before we headed back to the beach. I'll show you more later on in the video. But we made it back to the beach and we were so tired. We just wanted to hang out.
Low-key big ass birds, huh?
We woke up really early the next morning and did a little bit of shopping around town. We got more things to bring with us to the beach as well. And it was the same spot that we had gone for the croissants, which we really liked this place. Here's some of the things that they had this morning, which was different every time we went. I decided on a tinted sunscreen and a simple eye look. Look at how cute this flowy dress is. I've had it for a while, but I never had a special occasion to wear it to. I wanted to wear it out before we headed down to the beach. These are the 2 pair of shoes that I got while being here. They are made with Italian leather. The shoes I was wearing during this trip were not the most comfortable, and I was so happy to get these cute pairs. We did get more coconut from a guy walking around, and here are some questionable cherries, but here's my little sister. I don't know if you can see her over there in the water. After the beach, we had a snack. It was rice and meat inside. It was really good, and we started to walk down after showering and refreshing ourselves downtown to get some sweets. Here is a chocolate cookie with some powdered sugar on the top, and it was in this spot. I didn't really take the name, but it was in the corner.
I know, dude.
Let's all try it together. For our last dinner here, we decided on this restaurant right here, which was so nice. I really recommend it if you're ever here in Moneglia. We had a bottle of wine. Here were our appetizers, our pasta, and this creamy lemon cheesecake, which was really good as well.